Today we are going to talk about various techniques of doing biopsy in patients of spine TB. In principle, spine TB biopsy involves a procedure in which we try to take out a small part of the tissue from the diseased part of the bone and send it for examination. Now, there can be various ways of doing it. The most conventional and the oldest trick is doing an open biopsy, in which we make a small cut over the diseased part of the bone and go in and take out the diseased sample and send it for examination. We call it open biopsy. Next, when CT was developed, CT scan helps us to get a minimally invasive biopsy. So what we do, we take a small needle, put the patient in the CT scan machine and put the needle inside the diseased part and take a small sample out of that. Now these two techniques have been quite commonly being used and have been giving good results. Most of the patients are given the first choice of a CT guided biopsy, and if they get CT guided biopsy results, then the treatment is started. In about 50 or 40% of the cases, CT guided biopsy does not give good results or does not give any result. Then we tell the patient to go for open biopsy. So we open and take the sample. But this thing has recently been revolutionized by introduction of endoscopy. So we can now do transpedicular and transdiscal biopsy in patients of spine TB with the help of an endoscope. Instead of the needle, we put the endoscope or the camera on the diseased part. So we look at the diseased part and we get a bigger chunk and specialized chunk because we can look at the disease sample, look at the diseased part of the body. This gives us three major advantages. First of all, the sample is bigger and has a better yield as compared to the CT scan, but the cut is not as big as open biopsy. Cut is equally small, in fact stitchless. Secondly, it can be done under local anesthesia. So patient does not have to be anesthetized or put under sleep for the procedure itself. Third, which is a very important benefit of the endoscopy, that it gives us the advantage of doing the debrima of the area at the same time. That means at the time of doing biopsy, we can get the opportunity to clean the area also. So if I talk in very simple terms, CT scan guided biopsy is good, open biopsy is the gold standard, but endoscopy combines the advantage of not only biopsy, which is diagnostic, but also therapeutic, in which we can drain the pus, remove the diseased part and can get the combined effects, combined results of a diagnostic and a therapeutic procedure together. So friends, if you or someone you know is suffering from spine TB and looking for the right solution, you can help them by sending us the reports or contacting on the below given helpline numbers. Thank you. We care about you.